Dear watchers from 5 years to 45 years, welcome back from Mentor English. Professor Miraza. Today we have a quiz time. Should we start it? Aloud? Okay. Rules are answer the questions, earns points, win the quiz, and a proper medal. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. So let's get started. So, multiple choice question. Which season comes after winter? Which seasons comes after winter? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Yes, spring season comes after winter. Spring season comes after winter. Okay. Fill the blank. The capital city of dash is Paris. The capital city of dash is Paris. Tick tock, tick tock. The capital city of France is Paris. The capital city of France is Paris. Is the correct option. Is the correct option. True or false? Penguins are mammals. True or false? Penguins are mammals. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. False. Penguins are not mammals. Penguins are not mammals. So, comment your answer for your prize. Thank you very much. Must subscribe and hit the bell icon. Wish you good luck. Bye bye.